Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily English 10. My name is Emma.
And I'm Alex. Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here to learn English with us today.
Today, we have a very practical and useful topic. We are going to a cafe.
That's right. We will learn how to order food and drinks in English. This is something you will do many times.
Yes, it can feel a little scary at first, but don't worry, we will teach you the simple phrases you need.
Exactly. After this lesson, you will feel much more confident. Are you ready?
Let's begin. Okay, let's start with drinks. Alex, let's practice. I will be the barista, the person who works at the cafe.
Okay, I'm the customer. I'm walking into the cafe now.
Hello, what can I get for you today?
Hello, I would like a coffee, please.
Great, that was a perfect sentence. Let's listen again. I would like a coffee, please. The words I would like are very polite.
I'd like. Yes, it's a very good phrase. We often make it shorter and say, I'd like. So, I'd like a coffee, please.
Exactly. I'd like. You can also say, can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have a coffee, please?
Hi there, what would you like?
Hi, can I have a tea, please?
Perfect. And see, you changed coffee to tea. You can order any drink. Can I have a hot chocolate, please? Or I'd like an orange juice, please.
Right, so the important phrases are I'd like and can I have.
Yes, and always add please at the end to be polite.
Okay, now sometimes the barista asks more questions, for example, about the size.
That's a very good point. I might say, sure, what size would you like?
What are the common sizes?
Usually you can choose from small, medium, or large.
So if you ask what size, I can just say, a medium, please.
That's perfect. Or large, please. Just the size and the word please. Very easy.
I'd like a coffee, please. What size? A medium, please.
Now we have our drinks. Let's get some food. This time, Alex, you are the barista.
You got it. Hello, welcome. What can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like a chocolate muffin, please.
A chocolate muffin. Good choice. Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. That will be all.
Excellent. Listeners, did you hear those phrases? Emma, you used I'd like again.
Yes, it works for food, too. I'd like a sandwich. Or can I have a croissant?
And I asked, would you like anything else? This is a very common question. It means, do you want more?
Right. And my answer was, no, thank you. That will be all. This is a polite way to say you are finished ordering.
And if you do want something else?
Yes, can I also have a bottle of water, please?
Can I also have? That's a great phrase.
Okay, we have ordered our drinks and food. Now it's time to pay.
How do we ask for the total cost?
It's simple. You just ask, how much is that?
How much is that? How much is that?
How much is that, please?
That's $3.50, please.
Okay, I give you the money and I say, here you are.
Thank you. This is a simple and clear transaction. The key question is, how much is that?
So, that was our lesson on ordering at a cafe. It's all about a few key phrases.
Let's do a super quick review. To order, you say,
I like, or can I have,
to ask for the price, you say,
how much is that?
and don't forget the magic words. Absolutely. We really hope this lesson helps you. The best way to learn is to practice.
Yes, find a cafe and try ordering a simple coffee. You can do it.
Thank you for joining us on Daily English 10.
We'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.